Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to add an Oyster card to Google Pay. You can add, remove or update your credit and debit cards in your Google Pay account. The add credit or debit cards feature is available for Android devices only. If you can find this option, update your Google Pay app. On your mobile device, open the Google Pay app. On the home screen, tap Tap and Pay. To tap the phone and make card payments, tap Card and then Add a card. To add a card, you have two options. Scanning your card with your phone's camera is option 1. Your card details are auto-filled. Option 2 is to tap Enter details manually and tap More. Accept the terms and conditions. Now, select You'll verify your identity and tap Continue. Next, verify your identity with one-time password (OTP). The verification code or OTP is sent through text to the phone number connected with your Google Pay account. If you don't receive the OTP, check if your contact information is correct. If your contact information is up to date, contact your bank. OTP can be auto-filled or entered manually and tap Submit. If you don't receive a confirmation, check your card information and try again. If your card is verified, it's ready to be used for transaction. In Google Play's Payment Method section, you will find all your added cards. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.